Alright, we're back in my bathroom together, and I've got a washing machine that will not go past the wash cycle on its own. This is a problem I've dealt with on a couple of different machines, but multiple times because I'm on well water. I have hard water and also iron. And if you're on a well and you have this problem, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to fix it, and it's quick and easy. Alright, so if your washing machine is currently stuck on wash, the first thing you're going to need to do is cancel out of the current cycle by pressing and holding this for 3 seconds. Okay, now you're going to want to do a drain and spin, and we'll let that run through. We have to empty the clothes so you can move the washing machine. Alright, once the clothes have been removed from the washing machine, you'll want to shut the water off to the washing machine. And you may need a pair of channel locks because we're going to need to remove these water hoses, at least to get them started. Okay, so we'll need to remove the inlet hoses from the back of the washing machine as well. And again, the channel locks just make it a little bit easier to get them started here. Okay, you might lose a little bit of water, so you want to have a couple of towels handy probably. Essentially, the problem is that your washing machine has determined or sensed that you're not able to supply enough water to move on to the rinse cycle. I've got 2 sets of screens that I need to clean. I've got a screen in each water inlet hose where it connects to the valve, and I've got a screen in the water inlets on the back of the washing machine. Now I'm going to use Lime Away and a toothbrush to clean these up real well, and I've also used CLR in the past, which has also worked well. Alright, when reconnecting the water inlet hoses, make sure you get the right hose going to the right port. Blue is cold, obviously, and red is hot, and most of the times that will be marked on the hose as well. And I'm just going to take my channel locks here, and do not go crazy with this, right? These are plastic fittings. We just don't want to break anything, right? We just fixed the washing machine. We don't want to break it again, all right? We'll slide it back in place and we'll connect up the other side of the hoses. Okay, same deal here. You want to make sure cold is on the correct side and hot is on its side. Alright, so as a little bonus, I'm going to show you how to initiate a calibration cycle on this machine. And it's honestly an important thing to do anytime you move the machine around or have an issue, okay? So we're going to start with the dial in the normal position. I'm not sure that that's exactly necessary, but that's where I usually do it. I'm going to go forward once, back once, forward, 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 back. Okay, you'll see the lights are now flashing. Now look, I'm going to dial it over until I get to the rinse cycle, okay? And I'm just going to start that. Now that's not going to be a full rinse cycle, that's going to be a calibration cycle, okay? Hey, thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and leave questions and comments down below if you have problems with your washing machine and this didn't resolve it. I have some other tips and tricks I might be able to help you out with. All right, have a great day.